Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I am Megha. I am a tarot card reader and a yoga teacher. Today we're going to focus on some deep and gentle breathing that helps to calm your nervous system down and also will help you to become more and more present with your body and mind, followed by a guided meditation that will help you release all that's been feeling heavy in your bodies. Okay, so we'll start. Come and meet me in a comfortable seated position. You can bring one heel in between your hips, another ankle in front of it. Palms over the knees. Gently lift your shoulders up, roll them back and place them down. Bring your eyes to a soft close. Take a few seconds to sink in all the sounds in and around your space. Sounds that are loud and obvious. And slowly moving your awareness to more subtler sounds. Now bring this awareness to your own breath, your inhales and exhales as of today. Bring your awareness to your own body. Just noticing the physical sensations in your body as you sit here on your mat with me. Now take your awareness to your own thoughts. Start to notice your own thoughts and just allow them to pass. Good. And in this full awareness of the sounds around you, awareness of your breath, your body, your thoughts. Just take a deep inhale through the nose and open your mouth like you're blowing out a candle and exhale. We'll do this a few more times. Inhale through the nose. And open your mouth and exhale. Inhale through the nose. Open your mouth and let go of everything that's feeling heavy in your bodies. Last time together. Inhale through the nose. And open your mouth and exhale. Good. Now just bring one palm over your chest and one over your belly. Take a few seconds to feel your heartbeat. Just noticing the rhythm of your own heart. Now, we're going to start breathing with my counts. Inhale, just expand your belly for 1, 2, 3. And now exhale, contract your belly for 1, 2, 3. We're going to practice this one more time. This time, expand your belly and your chest together. Ready? Inhaling for 1, expand 2, 3, exhaling for 1, 2, 3. Little bit longer, inhaling for 1, expand, 2, 3, 4, Exhaling for 1, 2, contract, 3, 4. Inhaling for 1, expand 2, 3, air moving from your belly to your chest, 1. Exhaling for 1, contract your belly, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time together, let's go. Maximum expansion. Inhaling for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhaling for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And slowly release. Bring your palms back onto your knees. Shoulders still relaxed. And just bring your awareness to your breath. Your inhales and exhales. Breath that's flowing without any change, without any modifications. Good. Now we're going to start moving our awareness to different parts of our bodies. You can practice this seated, or you can lie down and follow the rest of the practice. Start by bringing your awareness to your toes. Move your awareness to your feet, your ankles, your calves, your knees. Gently relax all the muscles in all these parts. Move your awareness to your hips, your belly, your chest, your shoulders, and gently relax all the muscles here. Move your awareness to your arms, your fingertips, your elbows, your neck, your face, your eyes. Relax all the muscles here. Awareness to your ears, your forehead. Relax the muscles here. Relax your nose, your tongue. And make your breath as long as possible. As you experience this complete relaxation, just notice yourself becoming lighter and lighter. And as you feel lighter in your body, just start to visualize vast ocean and you with this lightness sitting on the ocean. And as the impact of this breath work that we just practiced and all the muscle relaxation reaches all your body parts, you become even more lighter. And as you're feeling lighter and lighter in this vast ocean, with this lightness, visualize yourself slowly getting inside the ocean. In the beginning, as any other depth, the ocean might feel different, new. But I want you to remind yourself that your body is fully safe here. And as you trust the ocean, You start getting deeper and deeper, all the way to the bottom, and find the earth again. Watch yourself sitting deep inside the ocean, on the earth. There's still beautiful life flowing through and around you. And as you sit here, feeling lighter in your body, feeling safe with your body, just take a deep inhale through the nose again. And open your mouth and gently release to the ocean. Exhale to the ocean. We'll do this again. Inhale through the nose. Open your mouth and release everything that's feeling heavy back to the ocean. You may find almost like a black tar coming out of your body. These are just toxins, all the heaviness that is no longer serving you. Let's do this a few more times. Inhale through the nose. Open your mouth and gently exhale. Inhale through the nose. Open your mouth and let the ocean carry everything that's feeling heavy in your body. Inhale and exhale. Last time together, inhale and exhale and let go. As you see this heaviness move out of your body starts to feel rejuvenated, taken care and nourished by the earth that you're sitting on, the ocean that you're inside of. Watch your body become nourished, the ocean and the earth. And as you feel the nourishment and care of this ocean and the earth, watch yourself slowly coming back to the surface of the ocean. Body still light. Body now rejuvenated and nourished. And as you slowly come back to the surface and experience the first breeze, the surface of the ocean, it's almost like everything in your life has come back to a flow state. Everything that once felt stuck has now started to flow. Watch yourself come back to the surface of the ocean. Sitting on top of it, again feeling lighter and feeling the breeze. Body completely relaxed and life back to flow state. You can sit with this lightness, this stillness for a few moments longer, or you can lie down and relax in your Shavasana. whenever you feel ready to break from the state, just bring both your palms together, just generating some heat in between your palms. Then place the palms over your eyes, your cheeks, back of the neck, your hands, your legs. You now open your eyes. Take a moment to stretch your legs out, move from side to side. Take whatever recovery you need, what works best for your body. I hope you carry the stillness and silence for the rest of your day. And I thank you for sharing this practice with me today. Namaste.